So for this, we need to know different codes that are available. So see here, weighted codes, non-weighted codes, self-complement codes, unit distance codes, sequential codes, reflective codes, alphanumeric codes, error detection and correction codes. In this, can anyone tell me which topics are completed? Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Binary, BC, error detection, correction codes. Yeah, yes, good. So, in this, we completed weighted codes and error detection and correction codes. We need to start with non-weighted codes. But before that, what is this weighted codes? Let me explain with an example. So see here, weighted codes is nothing but each position will have a weight. Okay, each position will have a weight. Like if you place here one, that indicates that in 8421, if you place here one, that indicates that it is representing one. Same like a decimal number, each digit like units, tens, thousands, like that. Each position will have a weight. So in a weighted codes, each position will have a weight. Based on this weight, you can, by seeing this number, we based on this weight, you can able to identify what number is that. So in 248421, by seeing this number, you can able to identify if there is 1 1. If you add 1 plus 2, you can see that, you can say that the number is 3. So weighted codes is each position will have a weight. Based on that weight, we can able to trace what number is that. Whereas in non weighted code, can we trace? No, we cannot. Why? Because each position, it can be written anyway, but we can, by seeing that number, we cannot say what number is that. Okay. So let me explain this example. So in BCD, we have studied about 8421 BCD addition and subtraction. Now we need to start BCD 2421. So now, yes, ma'am. Someone's audio.
Yes, ma'am.
So 84, we have studied till now BCD 8421 addition and subtraction. Now we need to go for some more examples in BCDs 2421 and 3321. Okay. So let me give an example for 2421. No, now try to consider 2421 is a self complementing code. Okay, 2421 is a self complementing, see here, in this I have not mentioned, but self complementing code 2421 is self complementing code, 3321 is self complementing code. Okay, but first of all, you should know what is a self complementing code. Okay, so for that, let me start with an example. So 2421, see here, try to concentrate 2421 while writing. Maximum of the students will do mistakes. So that is the reason I have written all combinations here. So concentrate 2421. So if I go for 2421, how to write 2 in 2421? Can anyone?
Ma'am?
Let me write 2, 4, 2, 1. So 1 0 means you can write as it is 0 0 0 0. Okay, 0. Now how to write 1 means we have a 1, definitely you will get 0 0 0 1. Now coming to 2, how to write 2? We can write as 0 0 1 0 as one combination, and the other one,
1000.
yes, and the other one is 1 0 0 0. Okay, but you should not write like this. Okay, among these two, we have to write this consideration. Means consider until 4, it should be like binary equivalent. So 1 0. Now next is 3 also, 0 0 1 1. In this way also you can write, and the other way is what? 1 0 0
100.
1. You should not write like this, you have to write like this. Okay, next 4 is 0 1 0 0. In this way also you can write. The other way is what? 4 1 0
1010.
1 0. You should not write like this. Okay. So in a binary representation, how you will write from 0 to 4, the same way you have to write in this 2421 also. So why we have to write in that way? Let me explain. So here 0 to 4 we have written as it is. The other way is 0 to 4, the other way what we have considered. Okay. So here until this one is clear. Okay. Next is what? Try to concentrate. Next is what is, first of all, why we are going for 2421 is that given a number, nines complement of a number you can obtain simply by converting to ones complement. Can anyone tell me nines complement of 0? Nines complement of 0 in Tamma?
9 only, ma'am.
Yes, 9. Nines complement for 1?
8.
8. Let me explain. So see here, nines complement of ఇది ఒక్కటి మీకు క్లియర్గా అర్థమైంది అంటే యూ రిమైనింగ్ వెయిటెడ్ కోడ్స్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వెరీ క్లియర్లీ మా. సో why we are going for 2421 is, given a number, nines complement can be obtained simply by converting ones to zeros and zeros to ones. So let me, I don't want to go for 0, I want to go for 1. Given a number 1. Okay. So the nines complement of that number is
8.
8. 8. So let me write 1. 1 is 0 0 0 1. So you have to get 8. Means how you will get is simply convert zeros to ones and ones to zero. So you will get 1 1 1 0. So if you see here 2 4 2 1, is it 8? 1110 is 8?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's the reason that we will call this as a self complement code. So let me show this. Can anyone tell me? First, let me explain this. See here. Yes, this one. See here, my decimal number 0, nines complement of this is 9. So if you do 0 0 ones complement, it will be 1 1 1 1. Okay. So nines complement of this will be 1 1 1 1, and ones complement of this will be 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 means you will get. I have to write definitely. నాకు కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్గా చెప్తారా? 0 2 4 2 1 0 0 0. Next is what? 0 0 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Next is what? Until 4 I said to write as binary only. 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0. Now what is nines complement of 5?
4.
4 kadamma. So we know that 4, if you do ones complement, you will get nines complement of that. So what I'm doing is I'm converting simply zeros to ones, ones to zeros. So 0 1, here it is 1, so I'm converting to 0. Here it is 0, I'm converting to 1. 0, I'm converting to 1. So if you add, are you getting 5? Yes. In 2 I placed 1 in place of 2, I placed 1 in place of 1. Yes, you are getting 5. Okay. Similarly, tell me nines complement for 6.
3, ma'am. 3 and 6.
3 and 6. So what I have to do? Simply, if 3 is there,
1
what I
1
have to
0
do?
0.
I have
1
to
1
write
0.
1 1 0 0. If you check, are you getting 6? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
4
2 and
plus
2.
2, you are getting. Next is, you try to take 2. Why? Because nines complement of 7 is 2. So simply you have to do ones complement of that. So what you will get? 1 1 0 1. 1 1 0 1. Next is ones complement of nines complement is 8. So what do you have to write here? You simply see this. What do you have to write? 1 1 1 0. Next, if you check this, what you will get? 1 1 1 1. Okay, so this we will call as self complementing code. So if you see here in this place, if 100 is there, you that will be converted to 1011. If it is 0011, will be converted to 1100. If it is 0010, will be converted to 1101, like that. So these are nothing but self complementing codes. Now let us consider, try to concentrate here. If it is having 0000, this number is 0. Okay, and the 9 9 1 1 0 0 means 9's complement of 0. Just now we said it is 9. So if you see 9 in other weighted number, I am not considering 2421, in other weighted number the 9 is represented as 1101. But you are getting right. So if you go for 9's complement, you are getting. But how can you know that it is self complementing code or not? You have to, you it has to get 2 9's complement also, it has to get, and it has to get 1's complement also. You are getting 9's complement, but are we achieving 1's complement here? No, we have to get what? 4 ones, but here we are not getting. In this way you can able to trace whether it is self complementing code or not. So you have to get 1's complement and 9's complement as well. Okay, so how can you say that it is 9's self complementing code is, if you add 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, what we will get, ma?
9,
Emotion.
ma'am. 9.
9.
9.
9, ma'am.
So if you add total and if you're getting 9, that means it is self complementing code. So in the exam, if you forgot which one is self complement, why? Because we have so many like XST code, gray code, BCD code, so many will be there, right? So which one is self complementing code? To know, simply add the weight so that you will get whether it is self. Now, can anyone tell me 8421 is self complement code? If you
No.
add a, no, it is not. Can anyone tell me
No, ma'am.
3321 is self complementing code?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
self complementing code. Okay. So if it is self complementing code, then definitely it will be reflective code also. Is it clear, everyone? Next, write down side heading gray code. Very, very, very important. Gray code. First, gray code comes under which, see here. In a non-weighted codes, we have an XS3 and a gray code. I'm starting with a gray code. Okay. So write down side heading in your notes. Weighted code over. We have discussed with 2421. Now I'm starting with non-weighted codes. I'm starting with a gray code. Okay. So what is the difference between a gray code and a binary code is that it is cyclic code, it is reflective code, it is unit distance code. First of all, what is this unit distance code? Let me explain. So one bit changes from one code to the next code. Let me see here. ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మా, బైనరీ, యూ ట్రై టు సీ బైనరీ 3 in representation and 4 representation. So ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని చేంజెస్ చేయాలమ్మా? From 3 to 4, 0 0 is okay. It will be in low only. Internal circuit, it should be in high low. The data will be transferred in such way. Okay, so 3 you are representing in binary as 0 0 1 1. So maximum internal circuits will be in sequential. Okay, one by one. So after converting from 3, it will be going to 4. Next from 4, it will be going for 4 5, like that. So like counters, you will discuss this completely in counters. So what is happening is, whenever it is converting from 3 to 4, how many bits it is changing? So here 0 0 1 1, how many bits it is changing? MSB 0 0. For 4 it is okay, but here it is 0, here converted to 1 means 1. You try to count 1. Here high, but here low, one more 1. Next, here high, here low, one more 1. Means from number 3 to convert to 4, it is converting how many bits?
3 bits.
3 bits. Okay, now let me see in gray code. Okay, let me see in gray code 3 and 4. So here we have 0 0 1 0 in 3 and 4 as 0 1 1 0. Let me see 0 here, also 0, no problem. Here 0, here 1. So it is converting from low to high. 1 1. Next to here high, no problem. Here low, means only 1. So whatever two combinations you see, It only converts only one bit. Okay, so let me see the other example, 6 and 7. So if you see 6 and 7, here you have 0 in 7 position. Try to see my mouse position, ma. Here we have 0, 7 also 0. Here we have 1, 7 also 1. Here 0, here 0. But here last, from high it is converting to low, only one bit position. So that is an advantage of gray code. So whereas in binary, in when applications, in some applications it will be like incremental process. So like washing machine, from one number 1 to 2 2, like that it go on increment. So in such way, when it is converting from one number to other number, how many numbers it is changing is very important. So he, in this case, it is only changing one bit position. So that is an advantage of a gray code. But now, how to convert this gray code? So write down side heading, gray code. Gray code is a non-weighted code, but it is not suitable for arithmetic operations, and it is cyclic code because successive code words in this code differ in only one bit position. So that's the reason it is unit distance code. Okay, so where gray codes are used, try to concentrate. Gray codes are widely used for error corrections in digital communications. Okay, so in this case, as it knows only the only one bit will be flipped, so in this gray codes are mainly used for error corrections. Okay, now write down side heading, converting binary to gray code conversions. Conversion binary to gray code, this is a most frequently asked questions. Binary to gray code conversion. Okay, so in a binary to gray code conversion, binary number will be given, you need to convert to a gray code. So for that, so this is a formula. You must know XOR operation. మనం XOR operation ఎక్కడైనా యూస్ చేసామమ్మా? Do we used XOR operation anywhere? In which concept we used?
Yeah. In the range, I guess.
In,
Overflow detection.
yes, we have used in overflow detection. We have used in what? So okay, so I got an answer. We have used in overflow parity bits for checking. So in this, if you do XOR operation, we will get what XOR operation. Let me start with an example. This is a binary number 1011. So let me write 1011. If I complete this, I will stop now. 1011 is binary number. Note down binary to gray code conversion. Binary number is 1011. 1011. Okay, so as this is binary, so I'm writing b, b0, b1, b2, b3. I need to convert to gray. So now I don't know what are those 4 bits. So I'm writing as g0, g1, g2, g3. Okay, so in this MSB part, we have to write whatever it is there in binary. So you try to write this as 1. So MSB part lo whatever we have must be written as it is. So what is the formula for finding out G3 ma? G3 equals to B3.
B3.
Okay. Now G2. G2 equals to, we have to do XOR operation between B2, B3 and B2. Okay. B. Hurry, I tell you. Okay, yes, ma'am. Okay, so for G2, it is B3 XOR B2. Okay, so what is B2 here? What is B2 here? We have 1. And B3 here is 1. B0 here is 0. So 1 XOR 0, we will get as what? XOR truth table గుర్తుందమ్మా ఎవరికైనా? Anyone remembered XOR? No one. మనం రివిజన్ చేస్తే కదా ఆన్లైన్ 00 01
Zero.
10 11. Okay, for same input the output will be
It
0.
will be zero.
For different it will be 1.
One.
No, okay. So if it is 10, you will get as 1. Okay. So means you calculated B3 B2 and you got the result as 1. Next G1. G1 equals to చెప్పండమ్మా B2 XOR
Three one.
B1. This two we have to consider now. Okay. B2 XOR B1.
Same answer, ma'am. One only.
1 only. Why? Because 1 plus 1 1. Next B1 B0. If you do XOR, what you will get?
Zero.
0. But you don't write directly, you try to use with the formulas ma b1 b2 XOR you will get as b2 as 1 and it is 0, so b2 as 0 XORed with the b1 as 1, so you will get 1. Again you try to use g0 formula. G0 formula is what? b1 XOR b1 XOR
V0.
enam
B
b0
not.
b0. So b1 is 1, b1 is 1. When XORed with 1, you will get the answer as 0. So make XOR while in the exam, if you are not getting the truth table for XOR, you can even go for addition also. So simple binary addition అయితే అందరు గుర్తుంటుంది కదమ్మా. So binary addition also you can do. There are two possibility for finding out using an XOR or using a simple binary addition. But carry need to be ignored. For example, here you got 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 as you will get the result as 1 0. 0 must be placed here. 1 must be ignored. Either ways you can, but prescribed is XOR operation. Okay. So which will be available in the textbook. So here 1011 we have to get as 1110. 1011. Try to see. MSB must be written as it is. Next is B3 and B2 you have to do XOR operation so that you will get 1. Next next 0 1 XOR you will get 1 1 XOR. So we got the same answer 1110.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 1110. Now calculate 1011. Now calculate for 1011.
Ma'am,
ఏమొచ్చిందమ్మా ఆన్సర్?
we took the same question, no, ma'am. 1011 only we took.
1011. Okay, 1001.
Double 101.
Yes, 1101 is the answer. Okay. Now everyone write in this way. I don't want to show this ma. Write down decimal number, binary number, gray code number. Okay. Decimal number you write down from 0 to 15 and you write down in the second column binary number and you write down in the third column gray code number 0 to 15.